What up, everyone? Welcome back to Synergy. Doing a little different format for now. We're still trying to grow the channel. So this is Synergy. We talk about future, especially centered around technology and especially quantum computing. Quantum computing, it's on its way. Like, it's, from what I'm seeing, it's just gonna be so powerful. And we got AI right now. This is gonna go way past AI. It's gonna, I'm not sure how they're gonna work in quantum with AI, but quantum computers today are going to, when quantum computers hit, like, on a grand scale, the computers we use right now are gonna become obsolete. Like, probably within really just the next 5 years. Imagine, it'll be 2030 in 5 years. It's 2025 now. Like, when I see 2030, it sounds like such a, it's not that far away. But growing up, when I was growing up, 2030, it'd be like, will I even get to see 2030? But now it's like, yeah, I could. We could see 2030, like, because it's just 5 years from now. Right? So we got silicon chips, small as they are now, they're gonna get even smaller. And let's see, like, Moore's law, as far as technology getting ahead every 6 months or every 2 years, something like that. That's out. Ramping up things every few months, if not every few weeks. But yeah, the computers we have now, they're gonna be gone. They're gonna be dead. And not. It's gonna be like the technology we had. Like 50, 60 years ago, compared to, like, the smartphone today. That's what it's gonna be like in comparison. So it's gonna be crazy. So it looks like they're trying to work out error correction of the computers, and they'll have that done within the next year or two. So yeah, It's gonna be a wild thing. As far as like whatever problems we have now in regular in the computers we have now, quantum is gonna break those like so quickly. The cybersecurity we have now, once quantum takes hold, you're gonna have to have a whole other system, like a whole other cybersecurity, whole other standards. It's gonna be wild. Right? So, like, wonder what, like, let's say vehicles, cars, trains, planes, what problems or how can they advance with quantum computing? You know, or like we already mentioned cybersecurity and banking. Banking is going to change. Like everything's going to change. Logistics, or how much faster can you get? How much faster can you get your deliveries done? You know, marketing's gonna be way like better. Like if it's something you want with quantum marketing, you're gonna be able to see it like so fast. It's like, oh, I need that. You're searching, or not even searching. You're just, you're just doing something random on, you might be watching a video or YouTube or whatever. And then, they already get pretty close to it now, but with quantum, they're going to put exactly what you want in front of you. Right? So, by the way, we do have our quantum business ebook. It's $47. The link's in the description. If you want to, get ahead of this quantum thing, you might have a couple of years. If you want to get ahead of this quantum thing and start a business to make like real money, then we got the blueprint. We do have another PDF. We have a free PDF that'll show you the 7 disruptors. 7 disruptors in the market, or like 7 different industries. We have that free PDF, but if you want to actually start a business, we do have the ebook. Links in the description. All right. And you can watch some more videos right up there. Like, subscribe, and and we'll see you in the next one.